The fat around your tummy is more stubborn than anywhere else, so achieving a flat stomach isn't an easy business. But did you know that you don't have to go through some grueling exercise or give up on your favorite food to lose your belly fat? Hey there! Welcome to the Healthy Diet Daily YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be giving you some awesome tips you probably haven't heard of that will help you get rid of unwanted belly fat and achieving a flatter stomach. Number 1. Enjoy a warm Epsom salt bath. An Epsom salt bath isn't only relaxing, it's also beneficial to the body in lots of ways. It soothes dry skin, reduces pain and soreness, and alleviates stress, among others. More importantly, it helps draw out water from your tummy, which helps reduce bloating. Just add 2 cups of Epsom salt to a warm tub load. Enjoy the salt bath twice to thrice a week. Number 2. De-stress. The more you feel stressed, the more stress hormones your body produces. Stress negatively impacts your digestive health and may be the big reason behind your belly fat. When you're frazzled, you tend to look and feel bloated, possibly constipated, plus you want to eat more. It's important to take time each day to relax and unwind, even in the simplest ways. Try doing simple yoga poses, writing in a journal, listening to your favorite music, or taking a walk at the park. Number 3. Work on your posture. You probably spend several hours a day hunched over your work desk or slouched on your phone. This leads to your body being used to an arched back and a protruded stomach. The simple act of sitting up straight immediately makes you appear slimmer, so improving your posture does even more wonders for you. Your postural muscles work better and your body becomes more efficient, leading to improved health and weight loss. Number 4. Sip on some warm lemon water. Make it a habit to sip a cup of warm lemon water first thing in the morning. This will help debloat your stomach and reduce inflammation in your gut. It's also a great way to get some much-needed vitamin C, so you can start your day with good energy. And number 5. Get enough sleep. Everybody knows that getting sufficient sleep is great for your health. It's an important factor for a sound mind and body, and that's when you start feeling happy and healthy. Getting enough sleep per day also helps reduce the risk of sleep disorders like sleep apnea, which is known to increase visceral fat in the body. This is the fat stored deep inside the belly, wrapped around the organs, including the liver and intestines.